Good morning students, I am Rajkumar. Today I will teach you Standard 4 Maths Lesson 20 Pictorial Representation of Data. What is data? What is data? Means define data. The information collected in the form of numerical figure in survey are called data. If you asking define data, say this is give the definition of data. You will write this the information collected in the form of numerical figure survey are called data. Next, see this representation of data. When we represent this data in picture, it is known as the pictorial representation. What is pictorial representation? When we represent this data in picture, it is known as pictorial representations. Next, pictograph. Picture that represent informations are called pictograph. What is pictograph? Picture that represent informations are called pictograph. Next is telemarks. A vertical line is called telemarks. What is vertical? Vertical lines means standing line. Clear? And next is bar graph. Rectangular figure that represent in information are called bar graph. What is bar graph? Rectangular figure. Here should be picture. And here rectangular figure means you know rectangle. So rectangular figure represent that in information is called bar graph. Clear? Now example 1. The following data were collected regarding number of milk bottles sold by AB on various day of week from Monday to Saturday. What question? Here given Monday 35 bottle, Tuesday 25 bottles, Wednesday 50 bottles, Thursday 30 bottles, Friday 45 bottles and Saturday 20 bottles. Here write solution. First you take 35, 25, 50, 30, 45, 20. Here you can take common. Means SCM. Highest common, it should be better. So here 5, 5, 0, 0, 5, 0. So all number divided by 5. So first number rough like this. What is this? Paper? Yes or no? So here write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Clear? So Monday 35, 35 divided by 5, how much? 7. Tuesday 25. 25 divided by 5. 5. Wednesday 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. Thursday 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. Friday 45 divided by 5 equal to 9. And last is 20. 20 divided by 5 equal to 4. See. So first Monday, how many picture you made? 7. Clear? 7 picture like this bottle. One, two, three, four, five, 6. How many number of bottle? Monday 35 means 35 divided by 5 equal to 7. Here make 7 bottle. Tuesday 25. How many? 5 bottle made here. Clear? 25 divided by 5. 5 come. So here should be right 5 milk bottle. Next. Wednesday 50. Here should be 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. How many bottle here made? 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? Thursday 30. 30 divided by 5. 6 bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Friday 45 divided by 5, 9. Here should be right now. Make 9 bottle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine bottle. Last Saturday 20. 20 divided by 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now, question number 2, example 2. Following are the number of baby born in hospital A 21, hospital B 14, hospital C 35, and hospital D 7, hospital E 28. Here write solution. Hospital A, hospital A, hospital B, hospital C, hospital D, and hospital E. How many hospital? 5. Hospital A 21. Again here are 21, 14, 35, 7, 28. Here take again common. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, and 7 5 is 35. Here should be common what? 7. So here write 21 divided by 7, 3. Next 14 divided by 7, 2. 7 divided by 7, 1. 35 divided by 7, 5. 28 divided by 7, 4. Clear? So A, hospital A, number of 21. 21 divided by 7 equal to 3. So here write, make 3 picture. B, hospital B, 14. 14 divided by 7 equal to 2. So here should be made two picture. Hospital C, 35. 35 divided by 7, 5. So 5 picture here make. 1, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. And next D, hospital D, 7. Only one picture. E, 4 picture. Again see this question, example 1. The following data were collected regarding number of milk bottles sold by a milk booth on various days of week from Monday to Saturday. Monday how much sell by? 35, Tuesday 25 bottles, Wednesday 50 bottles, Thursday 30, Friday 45, Saturday 20. See solution. Here write value of key 1 bottle. One bottle equal to how much value? 5. How much? One bottle picture means one picture value equal to 5. See, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 35. 35 bottle clear? So same here. Key right. One baby. One baby equal to how much? 7. Clear? Okay. Bye. Again I will meet you in next video. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.